Take a minute and think about the hot water you used today. What source of energy did you use to heat that water? Was it oil, gas, electric, or maybe you're not sure? How much hot water did you use, you think? 5 gallons? 10 gallons? 20 gallons? Now think about the costs associated with using that hot water. The cost in your utility bill, the cost of getting that hot water to where you use it, and the cost to the environment. Understanding your own hot water use and its costs is an important consideration, no matter whether you own your home or you rent. One way or another, we all pay a cost for that hot water. In this video, we'll describe 5 different types of domestic hot water heaters so you can become more informed of these integral systems present in every home.
There are so many types of water heaters out there: storage, on-demand, solar, indirect, and heat pump. Storage water heaters store hot water and release it from the top of the tank when you turn on the hot water tap. On-demand type water heaters heat and provide hot water the instant you need it. Solar water heaters include a tank and a solar collector, which uses solar energy to heat and store water.
An indirect water heater uses the main furnace or boiler to heat a fluid that circulates through a heat exchanger in the storage tank. Heat pump water heaters use electricity to generate heat indirectly by moving from one place to another. Now let's compare the pros and cons of each type together.
Storage type water heaters are generally cheaper up front and can deliver hot water to multiple faucets at once. However, heat is often lost as the water travels through plumbing on its way to the faucet, as well as through standby heat loss that occurs back at the storage tank. According to the U.S. Department of Energy, on-demand type water heaters are between 8 and 34% more efficient than storage types due to lower operating costs and no standby heat loss. However, on-demand systems are limited in how much hot water they can supply, so multiple heaters may be needed for households with higher demand. Alternatively, using the sun's energy to heat water is 50% more efficient than gas or electric heaters. It's appropriate for most climates and is also a free and renewable source of energy. You may still need a backup system for inclement weather days or in situations of higher demand for hot water, which generally also means higher upfront costs.
The indirect water heater type saves energy by allowing the furnace to turn on and off less often because of the energy stored by the water tank. Combined with a high-efficiency boiler and well-insulated tank, this system can be less expensive. However, a storage tank is required, and it can also be inefficient for certain homes, especially in warmer climates. Heat pump systems can be 2 to 3 times more efficient than conventional heaters that use electric resistance. Some qualified models from Energy Star can save up to $300 annually on electric bills. The cons are that it can only work in locations that remain in the 40 to 90 degree Fahrenheit range year-round and require at least 1,000 cubic feet of airspace around the water heater. Additionally, it will also increase the load on space conditioning appliances during space heating months.
Now that you know the pros and cons of each water heater type, as well as how they work, you can make a more informed decision if you're buying a water heater. There are also cost-saving tips that everyone can do, including insulating hot water pipes, using faucet aerators and energy-efficient shower heads, and practicing good water conservation habits.
This video is brought to you by Cornell Cooperative Extension at Dutchess County.